Junk Car Willie here. Just coming back about, I think I'm 8 hours in, 9 hours in on a 12-hour trip back from Arkansas. I'm at Central Kentucky Classic Cars. It's Sunday, they're closed. But guys, I'm just gonna walk around and maybe you can see something you want here. Well, this one says sold. We can still look at it. Beautiful cars. Look at that one. Just beautiful. Look at that down the side. Beautiful. Look what we got here though. Oh my gosh. They're closed, so you know I really don't want to put my camera up to the glass and everything, but I've got it where you guys can see the whole car. I mean, you can definitely see the interior from here. See here. Of course, I gave you who it is, so I'll say it again at the end. Man, that's a beautiful car. 37.5. How much was the 57 Chevy? 49.5 on the 57 Chevy. Hot Rodders. Man, this is a cool place. I wish this was open. They got stuff inside too. Little Valiant 100 is 19.5. Beautiful cars. I'm sure if you go to their site, they probably got a site. Nice place like this, they've got a site, I'm sure. Right outside of Lexington's where I'm at. Don't have a price on. Oh yeah, 77,000 miles. Nope, they don't have a price on this one. It's always scary when they don't have the price. But these look like very, like whoever did them. Do not open doors. Oh yeah. Whoever did them did a very good job on them. There's the back ends down through there, guys. Now this is another Chevelle, 66 or 67. Can't tell by the back until I look at the back end. Okay, 1966, and I really didn't want to go that close. If you guys are interested, give them a call. I'm sure they answer their calls. I'm sure they got cameras everywhere. So, got stickers all over my car, so they obviously they're big ones, so they can see who I am. And there ain't no trespassing signs, no gate up or nothing. Oh, beautiful truck. It just says sold on it, but my God, look at that thing, guys. Hold. Okay, somebody put some money down on it. That is unreal. Well, guys, I hope my video helps them out and gets them some business. There's cars inside too, guys. Probably nicer than these if these are outside, but I'm not going up close to it. If it was dark, I wouldn't even stop. But there's nothing that says no trespassing, nothing after dark. Right outside Lexington, Kentucky. Central Kentucky Classic Cars. 859-988-2029. Central Kentucky Classic Cars, 859-988-2029. Give you one more glander down here, guys. The wind is tinted, so it's kind of hard to see what's in there with that light tint. It's a beautiful Mustang on the end. I like them collars. It's sold. It's a beautiful Mustang. Give you a shot of the sun. There they are, guys. I've said the number twice, the name 3 or 4 times, and now I gave you this. Keep being you guys. I got 3 more hours. I'm doing a 12-hour straight trip. Straight driving. Stopped for fuel. Got fuel when I left. Stopped once. And took a break in. And this is the second time I've stopped in 9 hours. 3 more left. Pushing through.